How to fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once opened, tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. You will further be led to the settings page of WhatsApp. In here, tap on the privacy option and further tap on the last seen and online option. Here, as you can see, under the Who Can See My Last Seen tab, mine is set to nobody, which means no one will be able to see my last seen status. So in order to change that, select either My Contacts option, or if you want to customize the people in your contacts, then you can also tap on the My Contacts Except option and select individuals accordingly. Or if you want to see your seen status by everyone, then tap on the Everyone option, and with this, people will be able to see your last seen status. And if you are still not being able to set your last seen, then close WhatsApp and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the application again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.